In the fast-moving world of digital assets, some events are so large they demand our full attention. Recently, the Shiba Inu community witnessed a digital disappearing act. 361 billion SHIB tokens vanished from major exchanges in just days. This wasn't a hacker glitch, it was a deliberate, coordinated withdrawal into private wallets, fundamentally altering SHIB's immediate supply. Simultaneously, the token's burn rate surged by over 2,400%, signaling a powerful shift in community and network activity. These two forces, tokens pulled from circulation and a spike in permanent burns, created a perfect storm of on-chain signals, leaving analysts to decipher the motives and implications. The vanishing act of 361 billion tokens marks the opening of a new chapter in Shiba Inu's ongoing saga. To understand the impact, let's revisit the basics. Supply and demand. For SHIB, with its massive starting supply, reducing available tokens is crucial, and that's where token burning comes in. Burning sends tokens to a dead wallet, permanently removing them from circulation, and making SHIB scarcer. The recent 2,400% burn rate spike signals the community's active push for digital scarcity. Meanwhile, moving tokens off exchanges into private wallets reduces immediate sell pressure, often interpreted as long-term conviction. The withdrawal of 361 billion SHIB dramatically shrank the pool available for trading. Together, these moves tighten supply, setting the stage for potential price appreciation, though demand must also rise for prices to follow. In crypto, scarcity alone doesn't guarantee gains, but it creates a more favorable environment for them. On-chain data reveals this was no random event. Large, methodical transactions pointed to sophisticated whales. In just 48 hours, exchange outflows surged, with 275.8 billion SHIB moved in a single day. Such moves shrink market liquidity, meaning fewer tokens are available for buyers. And even moderate demand can move prices. The 2,459% burn rate spike, nearly 30 million SHIB burned in a day, reflects growing activity on Shibarium, SHIB's Layer 2 network. While the absolute burn is small, the surge signals rising community engagement and a functioning ecosystem. Despite these shifts, SHIB's price has yet to break out, hovering near key support as traders watch for a demand catalyst. Trading volume has increased, showing heightened attention. The stage is set, but the main act is yet to begin. The recent activity in the SHIB ecosystem highlights the contrasting yet complementary strategies of whales and retail investors. Both groups play crucial roles, but their approaches and motivations often differ, creating a dynamic push and pull within the market. Whales drove the massive 361 billion SHIB withdrawal, moving tokens into self-custody as a long-term bet and reducing risk from exchanges. This kind of large-scale accumulation is a strategic move, signaling that major players are positioning themselves for future gains and stability. Such actions signal strong confidence in SHIB's future and tighten the available supply, potentially setting up the conditions for a significant price run if demand continues to rise. Meanwhile, the Shiba army, retail holders, fuels the burn mechanism through countless small transactions on Shibarium. Every purchase, transfer, or swap contributes to reducing the overall supply, making each token more scarce over time. Their collective enthusiasm drives community action and narrative, attracting new buyers and supporting demand. The grassroots energy of retail investors keeps the ecosystem vibrant and ever-evolving. The ecosystem's health depends on both. Whales shape market structure and provide stability, while retail investors generate daily activity, culture, and ongoing momentum. Recent events show both groups acting in concert, whales accumulating, the community burning, creating a strong foundation for future growth and resilience. It's a rare alignment of top-down capital and grassroots energy, where institutional strength meets community passion. Together, they're transforming SHIB from a simple meme into a powerful movement, one that's reshaping the future of decentralized finance. For SHIB's long-term growth, evolution beyond meme status is essential, and Shibarium is the key. As a Layer 2 network, Shibarium enables faster, cheaper transactions and a thriving ecosystem of apps and services. Every transaction on Shibarium contributes to SHIB burns, directly linking utility to supply reduction. The recent burn rate spike reflects increased network usage and engagement. Developer signals reinforce the focus on building, shifting attention from price speculation to real progress. This commitment is vital for attracting serious projects and transforming SHIB into a legitimate DeFi and Web3 contender. As Shibarium grows, demand for SHIB as a utility token should rise, while burns continue to chip away at supply. The recent supply shock and burn surge are early signs that SHIB's ecosystem is truly awakening. The recent supply shock paints a bullish picture for SHIB, sparking renewed optimism among investors and traders who have been closely watching the token's price action. With reduced sell pressure and a thinner order book, the stage could be set for significant price gains if momentum continues to build and new buyers enter the market. Analysts see room for a 28–35% rally if demand picks up, especially as technical indicators begin to flash bullish signals and sentiment shifts in SHIB's favor. The supply squeeze, if it persists, could amplify these gains, making each token more valuable as scarcity increases. The burn mechanism, powered by Shibarium, offers a long-term path to scarcity through real utility, as every transaction on the network contributes to reducing the overall supply. Strong community support and a clear, ambitious roadmap set SHIB apart from fleeting meme coins. The project's developers are actively building partnerships and expanding use cases, which adds credibility and staying power. But challenges remain. The circulating supply is still massive, making it difficult for burns alone to create immediate price impact. Daily burns, while important, are currently just a drop in the ocean compared to the total supply, and their effect is gradual. For burns to truly impact price in a meaningful way, Shibarium's transaction volume must grow exponentially and persistently, driving more tokens out of circulation and increasing scarcity over time. Whale accumulation can reverse quickly. Large holders may shift their strategy at any moment, and if prices spike, these whales could sell, creating sudden and intense sell pressure that can erase gains in minutes. SHIB's fate is also tied to the broader crypto market. Its price often moves in tandem with major assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Downturns in Bitcoin or Ethereum could drag SHIB down regardless of its own metrics, so macro trends must be watched closely. Optimism is warranted, but so is caution. The bull case is real, with genuine potential for growth and innovation. But the burdens are heavy, and only time will tell if SHIB can overcome them to deliver lasting value. As of February 25, 2026, SHIB's story is more compelling than ever. What started as a meme coin has evolved into a dynamic ecosystem, capturing the attention of both crypto enthusiasts and mainstream investors alike. The journey so far has been filled with unexpected twists, and now, the stakes are higher than ever before. The disappearance of 361 billion tokens and a fiery burn rate surge have created a pivotal moment. This massive reduction in supply has sent shockwaves through the community, sparking debates and speculation about what it means for SHIB's future value and scarcity. We've seen whales tighten supply, and the community drive utility. This is now a case study in ecosystem economics, not just meme hype. Analysts are watching closely as SHIB transitions from a speculative asset to a project with real-world use cases and a passionate, organized following. The synergy between strategic whales and the passionate Shiba army will shape SHIB's future. From supply challenges to market volatility, their collaboration could determine whether SHIB becomes a lasting force in the crypto world or fades into obscurity. Key questions remain. Will the withdrawn tokens stay locked up, or will they re-enter circulation at a critical moment? The uncertainty keeps everyone guessing, adding to the intrigue. Can Shibarium's growth make burns truly impactful? As the Layer 2 solution expands, its ability to drive adoption and increase transaction volume could be the catalyst for meaningful long-term change in SHIB's tokenomics. How will SHIB fare in a shifting crypto landscape? With new regulations, emerging competitors, and evolving investor sentiment, the path ahead is anything but certain. The answers will be written on the blockchain, transaction by transaction. Every move, every burn, and every innovation will be recorded for the world to see, shaping SHIB's legacy in real time. The Shiba Inu saga is far from over. This new chapter is just beginning. The next developments could redefine what's possible for community-driven crypto projects. The digital stage is set. The world is watching for the next act. As the spotlight shines on SHIB, every decision and innovation will echo across the crypto universe.